So this is my laundry room here at the Coronis residence. You can see it's very tight. You walk over here. When you open up this door, dryer door, look how close that is, just barely makes it open. So that's what I got to work with here. Some dad shoes, as Mike Z likes to call them. Anyways, so it's my dryer. It's pretty tight back there too. I don't know if you can I don't know, it's kind of tight there too. Anyways, tight all around. Reason why I'm doing this fix is because the dryer squeaks like crazy. Let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Alright. Of course, it sounds quiet. Oh, there's no holes in there. Got some holes in there. Pause. So this is my laundry room here at the Coronis residence. You can see it's very tight. You walk over here. When you open up this door, dryer door, look how close that is, just barely makes it open. So that's what I got to work with here. Some dad shoes, as Mike Z likes to call them. Anyways, so it's my dryer. It's pretty tight back there too. I don't know if you can I don't know, it's kind of tight there too. Anyways, tight all around. Reason why I'm doing this fix is because the dryer squeaks like crazy. Let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Alright. Of course, it sounds quiet. Oh, there's no holes in there. Got some holes in there. Pause. After 3 loads of laundry, I got it to squeak a little bit, but this past week it was squeaking a lot. So you can hear a little bit of the squeak. This is what we're trying to eliminate. I don't know, I guess if it's heavy, if there's a heavy load, wet heavy load, squeaks more than it does right now. There's not too many clothes in there right now. So, yep, that's the issue. Okay, we're back. What you'll need for this repair is this repair kit that I got off of Amazon. I think it was like $16-17. It comes with the wheels here, the other arm and pulley, which I suspect this is the problem. I have 4, some drawers have 5 of those wheels. The spring for the other arm and pulley. And of course the belt. The belt could be the problem. It could be worn out. Okay, so that kit. I got a flathead screwdriver with a piece of duct tape on it to pry open the top. And I got a Phillips screwdriver. So what we have to do. Oh, I got one of these doohickeys too. Little mirror. here has so I wanted to look at the back of something. It's got a little light. Let's see here if it works. Oh yeah. Yep. That's me. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to take the flathead screwdriver with a piece of duct tape on it, and we can pry open the top. Should work. See how all that comes out? Alright, that was pretty simple. So you look inside here, this is the drum. This is the drum of the dryer. It's really just snapped in there. You can see the belt. Belt's in the middle of the drum. You can't see the wheels or the idler arm or pulley until you remove the drum. So that's what we're going to do next. That was pretty simple. Let's open up. Next, alright, flathead screwdriver with duct tape. Done with that. Next, you got a Phillips screwdriver. Open the door of the dryer. Oh, yeah, no close. Open the door of the dryer, and then there's 1, 2, 3 screws. Probably have to take off these 3 screws. And let me see if there's more. Yeah, so 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 screws you gotta take off. So let's start. I don't have to film this. Hold on. When I take them off, I'll restart this. Okay, all 6 screws are off. They're out. Got a little bungee cord here, keeping this top open. I think this piece here is ready to come out. I think all you have to do is lift it, get it detached from these little features here, and let me do that. Okay, the front face is detached. Also, there's a connector here underneath. Watch your fingers because this stuff is pretty sharp. There's a connector under here. I don't know if you can see it. Connector there. You might need a Peter picker for that one, but you got to get that off. All right. Okay, this is what we got here. Top is propped open like a hood of your car. The front face is off with the door. Front face with the door. Now you've got this exposed. You got some more screws to take off. You got one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I suspect this part comes off too for the lint trap. So 5, 6, 7. So 7 more screws. Alright, we'll take those off and we'll see what we got. Okay, so I took those screws off and I lifted this. This is hard to do with the camera and everything. I lifted this front face off, and you can see here when you lift this off, the wheels are right mounted on this face. So there's one of them right there. Oh, there's a penny too. Good luck. Alright, and then there's another wheel. So these 2 wheels are pretty easy to get at. We'll replace these wheels. They look like they're in good shape, so it might not be the wheels. There's a couple other wheels in the back of the drum, so there's also a connector here that you need to disconnect. So I'll get to that and go from there. So upon further inspection of this panel, I'm looking at these mount these wheels, and this one seems to spin pretty good. Not bad. This one down here, kind of loose. I don't know, this one's not. This one definitely is worse for wear. You can see some wheel material here getting spun off on the inside of this panel. Here, nothing really, just maybe some lint, maybe a little bit. Anyways, could be this wheel right here. That's our problem. I'm in here anyways. I'm here anyways. So I'm here anyways. So I think it's I'm going to replace all these parts. Next, this drum here, this drum just lifts right off, I do believe. So I'm just gonna take the belt off, and it should lift right off. That's what I'm gonna do. So this is the inside of a dryer. When the drum's off, you can see there's the idler pulley there. It's got some wear. I don't know what's going on. The belt maybe is coming off. I'm not sure, but for sure this wheel here, the wheel that's on, where is it? This guy here, yeah. See how it's throwing like rubber, like some of its rubber stuff onto there and here and everywhere. So I'm probably going to clean this up with a vacuum cleaner. Belt's probably, tensioner's probably a good time to repair that. Oh, that wheel looks bad too. See how the rubber part on that wheel is coming off too. Jeez. Samsung, what are you doing? What are you doing? Everything else looks alright. I think some vacuuming and then just replacing this stuff. And we're good to go for another 5 years. Here we're inside the dryer. Hood down here inside the dryer. Here's the idler arm. All you need to do is one screw, one Phillips screw, undo that, and the idler arm comes off. You have to undo the spring too, but that probably just falls off because there's no tension on it right now. Here's the old part here, the new part. We're just comparing. Old part is flat, and it's kind of hard to turn here. Not a very easy turn. It's also got this anti-rotation feature and kind of a raised feature for the fastener. 2 darts here. New part. There's 2 darts, maybe 3. Got this nice rib. feature. It comes with a new style screw, so it doesn't have to have that raise feature. And this one spins a lot easier, as you can see. So I'm feeling like, yeah. Maybe this was the bigger issue than the rollers. Oh well. Lucky I decided to replace all the parts. Okay, put it in there and see what happens. Okay, so now we can replace these wheels here. These, I don't know what you call them, alignment wheels, or I guess they're for the drum wheels, whatever. We're gonna replace them. They got this little triangle plastic clip. I don't know if you can see that triangle plastic clip. All I'm gonna do is pop that off, put the new one on, and that's it. The new ones come with a stud here, but I'm not gonna bother with the stud. I try to take this one off. This one I already replaced. I try to take this stud off. It's not gonna budge, and plus, you know, I'm not gonna take the studs off of the ones that are inside. So I'm just gonna pop the clip, put the new wheel on, and call it done. And then reassemble everything with the new belt. Alright. Maybe you guys want to see me pop the new clip, pop the clip. So, right there. All I do is the screwdriver underneath there. A couple times, pops right out. There it is. Triangle clip. Set it down. Take the old wheel. Now this is the one that's got all the crud on it, so be careful. Maybe put it in a bag or something and clean it off. It's got two clips, one on the back and one on the front. Okay, so everything's back together, kind of, almost. All I have to do is put the front panel on. This underneath the lint trap kind of ductwork I need to put on. This front panel's on, the brand new rollers, brand new belt, brand new tensioner pulley. Let me see if I can get a good shot of that. There's a brand new roller up there. Not good focus. Probably can't see it. Anyways, it's in there. And should be good to go. And here's the finished product. It's all together. All the screws are back. No extra parts. We're going to turn it on just to hear how it sounds. No squealing. Feels very smooth. Alright, I think mission accomplished. Samsung dryer fix.